Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new trending AI photo editing for free. Okay, to create AI photo editing, you can use Gemini. So first of all, you can open up gemini.google.com or you can open up the Gemini application. You can open it from your computer or from your mobile phone. And the first trending AI editing is the Polarized photo with idol or celebrity. Okay, and you can upload your photo, guys, with your favorite celebrity or idol, and then you can use this prompt. And here I just used random photos from my device. Okay, you can use this prompt, guys. Take a photo taken with a Polaroid camera, and then you can make it like this. This is the result, and for the prompt I'll put it on the description. And the second one is this photo, trending elevator photo. You can make yourself standing in an elevator, and this is the prompt. Okay, you can use this prompt to create this trending elevator photo. And the third one is the photo holding a bucket of a flower bouquet. Okay, and this is the prompt. You can make yourself holding roses or holding flower. And then the next one, the family picture. And for the family picture, you can use this prompt. Okay, and then wait, I'm going to show you the other one, guys. And also this photo, you can make yourself on the mountain. And this is the prompt. And this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.